How to set up and install Facebook Metapixel. This can be an absolute game changer of making your Facebook ads perform even better than they already are. And there's some secret sauce behind installing this Metapixel. When this is done correctly on your website, that you can retarget these leads with more content, bringing them down that sales funnel so they actually end up converting. And I'll share how we use Metapixel and what we do to retarget our leads in order for us to improve our conversions on Facebook ads. Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Russell Mortlock here with the Apex Group. My primary focus is in real estate marketing, where I help other real estate agents get more business through Facebook ads. So if you're a real estate agent that would like to partner with me and have run your Facebook ads, go in the description and fill out the Google form, and we'll see if you end up being a right fit in order for us to do your marketing. But let's dive into exactly how to set up the Metapixel on your Facebook page. Okay, step number one, I already have this connected on all my other ads accounts, but you're going to need an ad account and you have to go to the events manager overview. So connect data. So this is where you have to pick what you're looking to do. Once you've had your account for a little bit longer and have some ads running, you're going to be able to connect your CRM too. So in my database, we have over 11,000 leads that have registered on our website, and I'm able to retarget all those people and track them when they go back to our website from having this Metapixel installed. So if you go to a website, you want to click to connect. Okay, so once you're on the back end of it and you get to these events manager overview, I already have my website connected to this, but I'm just going to explain exact data sources that you connect. So you get your web page, you can connect an app, you can connect offline information, you can do CRM and messaging. So for me, I have my website. Our real estate website also has an app where we're able to connect that too. And then we have our CRM. So in that CRM, we have over 11,000 people that have registered on our website, and creating that Metapixel to retarget all those people is really, really, really powerful. So let's just go to web. So new data set. So I just call this website. You're going to have to paste in the URL here. So I'll go to one of my old websites here. So here, there's a few different things. You can get guidance. So we'll ask you a few questions and we'll recommend the setup method, or you can do it yourself. So for me personally, being a very non-technical website dude, I usually get the support people to help me and walk through and make sure this is done correctly. So then I'll go do it yourself, and I'll go Metapixel conversion or Metapixel only. I always go Metapixel and conversion API. Go next. Set up with partner integration or set up manually. So typically they're going to want to do it where they set it up manually and they click on here. So you go to continue. Browse the selections. So yeah, browse and select the ones that you would like to do. So you can go view count, search, you can do location. You can really do a ton of stuff like payment information. If you have a cart on the back end, add to cart, you can do a ton of stuff there. But pretty much you want to go view count, see exactly how many people are coming, how many people search, find your location or reach out and contact you, and then go continue. So then you can select all the event details that you'd like customer information, if you want their IP address, their city, external ID, date of birth, gender, state, country, email, last name, subscription. You just kind of go through all the stuff here and see what you want to do with it and see which ones that you want to be a part of. Okay, so then when you get to the website page here, you're going to want to set up your Metapixel to gather information. You can install the code manually. So then you'd copy this code, you'd continue, and then you'd paste it in here to make sure that it's all set up. And then you turn on the automatic matching, and then you go to event code, which it will test. So open up and set up event code. This will make sure that it's set up properly. And you do all that properly. Like I said, I typically reach out to my support team to make sure on my website that I've actually got it installed correctly. And then it'll be reporting. So say here on my Real Geeks website, it's all reporting here. It's tracking everything that's going on. It's telling me exactly what the overview is and the history. So we'll go through here, everything there. So complete registration, people who searched on it. So here I'll show you on my website where it's tracking the traffic here. You know what I mean? You see exactly how many people were ended up on our website over the past couple days. So here on this day, we had 1,100 people go to the website, which is pretty good to establish exactly what type of traffic you're going. It's nice to see because then I'm able to tell if my ads are bringing more traffic and more people are using our website. So the reason why you want to install this is going to be the bread and butter, what I'm going to show you now, which is creating your custom audiences. So now let's navigate to the audience section here. We're here, as you can see, I was able to create and edit right off my Real Geeks thing. So every person that visited my website in the last 180 days, I now have as audience. So if I take this a step further and I go to my campaigns, I'm doing this website retargeting, where in that I'm targeting everyone that's been on my website the last 180 days. Where the actual magic and secret sauce is, instead of having to follow up with these people constantly spending hours and hours every day manually calling, texting, spamming them, sending emails, I'm able to get 26 people back to my website each and every day for like it costing me 66 cents per person to get them back to our website. So we are retargeting at a quite heavy daily amount of $20, but this allows me, when I go on how much I potentially am worth per hour, paying Facebook $20 a day to do my manual follow-up and continue people to remind them and get them back to using my website is a really, really small expense when I go to what I figure my time is worth. Okay, so just to recap everything there, you go to the Events Manager, you go through all the stuff in terms of setting up your data sets there. So let's go to Data Sources. As you can see, I have my websites collected here called Home Source through it, and it's telling me exactly how everything's performing. To install that metapixel, you are going to want to potentially get someone on the support side from your website to do it properly and then make sure they test it that it's working properly. But that's exactly how you can install the metapixel. So if you're a real estate agent that's watching this video, you want me to take over doing your advertising, well, then go to the description below, fill out that form there, and we'll see if you will be a right fit.